Welcome to this overview of Anvil's interactive signing feature. Interactive signing allows your users to add basic information to a PDF in one step during the signing process. By default, you need to collect information with a web form, then fill a PDF, and ultimately get that document signed. Your user interacts with this flow twice. With interactive signing, all three steps are combined into one, allowing your users to interact with the flow just one time. Let's look at how to get this set up. Before you get started with interactive signing, make sure you've created an edge packet from an existing document template where you've pre-formatted, configured, and correctly named each field as you see here. And of course, make sure you've added at least one signer. For this video, Robin Smith will be ours. Now that our packet is ready, we need to assign fields we want our signer to fill out. To do so, simply select the field. In this example, we want our signer to fill out the date of birth field. Navigate to the right where you have options for how do you want to fill this field. A signer fills when signing is the default setting, which will allow the signer to fill the fields in the same session as they're signing, as opposed to being forced to come back a second time to sign the document. You can also choose to fill with a literal value or not to fill this field. Now I'm going to select the signer, Robin Smith, who I want to fill information into the date of birth field. If you want to provide additional information to help the signer when filling out fields, you can provide that context in the field label, field description, or field help tip. Date of birth is pretty straightforward, so we're going to leave these blank. The next field I want the signer to fill is a set of checkboxes that tell me how the signer would prefer to send the information to their new medical office, by mail or email. As we did with the date of birth field, we'll select this group of checkboxes and assign Robin Smith to fill these out. This could get confusing, so I'm going to provide some extra context in the field label informing Robin that these checkboxes will let us know how she wants her medical information sent to the new office, by email or physical mail. Once we're done selecting and assigning fields, it's time to connect the signature field to the signer, Robin Smith, and associate the date with the signer as well to ensure it reflects the date when the signature was completed. This packet is now ready to send, so let's go ahead and click send and go through the signer experience. The signer is going to either draw or accept their typed signatures, click consent, and then begin signing. First, we'll fill in our date of birth and click continue. Next, you'll see the field label we set up earlier about these checkboxes, which will inform how we want our medical records sent. We'll select email. Finally, we can click the signature field to insert our signature, and we're done. Here's a look at the completed packet.